Today on our report, we bring you the full story behind the dramatic confrontation in Madurai, where a traditional ritual on a hill turned into a political and legal battle. That is Tiruparankundaram Hill. A dispute over lighting the Kartiga Deepam lamp has now pulled in the BJP, AIA, DMK and even the High Court. The tension began when Tamil Nadu BJP chief Nayanar Nagendran and several activists attempted to climb the Tiruparankundaram hill in Madurai to light the Kartiga Deepam lamp. Police stopped them and made several arrests, saying the attempt could disturb public order. This came even after a single judge bench of the Madras High Court had directed the Madurai City Police to provide protection to the petitioner and 10 others, allowing them to climb the hill and light the Deepam. According to the petitioner's counsel, the court was clear. The temple administration must light the Deepam at the highest peak. If they fail, the petitioners must be allowed to light it. The lighting must happen beyond 50 meters from the regular temple area. The petitioners' law accused authorities of violating the court order, saying neither the police nor the temple administration followed the directive. This, they said, forced them to file a contempt petition. Following this, the court permitted the petitioners under CISF protection to climb the hill, light the lamp themselves. Meanwhile, political reactions poured in quickly. AIA DMK General Secretary Edappadi Palaniswamy strongly condemned the arrest of Nayanar Nagendran and the devotees. He thanked the court for upholding Hindu sentiments and accused the DMK government and the Chief Minister of displaying anti-Hindu attitudes. He said the government made no arrangements to light the lamp despite the court's deadline. Devotees were waiting until 6 p.m. while the administration remained inactive. Even a communist MP had predicted that confusion would be created, showing political bias. However, DMK supporters and local residents told a very different story. Local people, according to DMK voices, were not happy with the entry of BJP supporters and believed they came only to create trouble. They claimed that locals even welcomed the police action taken against them. Leaders from the DMK argued that BJP is not the savior of Hindus and reminded that the Dravidian movement historically protected backward classes, providing education, ensured temple entry rights and created reservations, empowering communities that were once excluded. Tamil Nadu Law Minister S.R. Shivashankar referred to a 2014 Madras High Court order which had restricted lighting the Deepam on the same hill. He said that the earlier AIA DMK government led by the late Jay Lalita had itself accepted that order. The minister argued that the police was simply following legal precedent and the maintaining public order was their priority. What began as a religious ritual has now opened the door to a complex battle involving court orders, political rivalry, local sentiment and questions of religious rights. As the debate deepens, the Madurai Deepam dispute has become yet another flashpoint in Tamil Nadu's already charged political landscape.